Lamborghini is back. They've cooked up a storm with the 2025 Temerario. This isn't just another supercar, it's replacing the mighty Huracan. But here's the kicker, it's a hybrid. That's right, a Lamborghini with electric help. The Temerario is a statement. It shows Lamborghini's commitment to the future. They're not just about roaring engines anymore. They're embracing new technology. This is a big leap for the brand. It's time for a closer look. Let's see what this raging bull can do. Hold on tight, this is going to be a wild ride. The Temerario is a head-turner. It screams speed even when standing still. Lamborghini knows how to design a car. They've outdone themselves this time. The lines are sharp and aggressive. It's like a fighter jet on wheels. The hexagonal daytime running lights are striking. They pierce through the air like a hawk's eyes. The rear spoiler isn't just for show. It provides downforce, keeping the car glued to the road. And the paint. Lamborghini offers a range of colors, each more vibrant than the last. You can even customize it to your liking. Matte finishes, racing stripes, you name it. The Temerario is a blank canvas for your automotive fantasies. Now for the good stuff, the engine. The Temerario boasts a monstrous 4.0-liter V8, and it's twin turbocharged for good measure. This thing breathes fire, but wait, there's more. Lamborghini has added not one, not two, but 3 electric motors. These work in tandem with the V8. The result is mind-blowing performance. The combined output is a staggering 907 horsepower. That's right, 907 horses ready to gallop. The torque is equally impressive. This car doesn't just go fast, it leaps forward like a cheetah on the hunt. It's a hybrid, but not as you know it. This isn't about fuel efficiency, it's about raw power, amplified by electricity. The Temerario's engine redlines at a screaming 8,500 RPM, a feat that few engines can achieve. That's where the magic happens, where engineering meets raw power. The boost pressure from the turbos is immense, delivering an exhilarating driving experience. The result is a wave of torque that pins you to your seat. It's addictive and thrilling. The transmission is a lightning-fast 8-speed dual clutch, ensuring seamless power delivery. It shifts gears with precision, making every drive smooth and responsive. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, or 62 miles per hour, arrives in a mind-bending 2.5 seconds. That's supercar territory, a true testament to its engineering. The top speed, over 350 kilometers per hour, or 217 miles per hour. It's built for those who crave speed. This car is an absolute rocket ship, designed to break records and push boundaries. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The Temerario excels in every aspect. The Temerario handles like a dream, offering unparalleled control and stability. It's agile and responsive thanks to its advanced aerodynamics and suspension. Every curve, every turn is a testament to its superior design. Step inside the Temerario, and you're greeted by a cockpit fit for a fighter pilot. The design is both futuristic and elegant, making you feel like you're in control of a high-tech machine. The interior is a blend of luxury and sportiness, with every detail meticulously crafted to provide an unparalleled driving experience. The seats are supportive and comfortable, designed to keep you relaxed even on the longest journeys. Gone is the cramped interior of the Huracan. The Temerario offers a spacious cabin that allows you to stretch out and enjoy the ride. The Temerario offers more space for both driver and passenger, ensuring that everyone travels in comfort. The digital gauge cluster is customizable, allowing you to tailor the display to your preferences. You can choose what information is displayed, from speed and navigation to performance metrics. The passenger even gets their own screen, providing entertainment and information at their fingertips. No more boredom on those long drives. The passenger can watch movies, browse the internet, or even control the music. The infotainment system is top-notch, featuring the latest technology to keep you connected and entertained. It features a large touchscreen, navigation, and smartphone integration, making it easy to stay on course and connected. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Temerario is equipped with state-of-the-art safety features to protect you and your passengers. The Temerario comes with a suite of advanced safety features including lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. These features work together to provide a safer driving experience, giving you peace of mind on every journey. Section 6, the price of exclusivity. The 2025 Lamborghini Temerario doesn't come cheap, and why should it? This car is the epitome of luxury and performance, designed for those who demand the best. This is a masterpiece of engineering, a work of art on wheels. Every detail, from the engine to the exterior design, has been meticulously crafted. The estimated starting price is around $750,000. This price reflects the unparalleled quality and exclusivity of the vehicle. But that's just the base price. The real magic happens when you start adding options. Options and customization can easily push the price tag over $1 million. From bespoke interiors to unique paint jobs, the possibilities are endless. It's a significant amount of money, no doubt, but for those who can afford it, it's an investment in a piece of automotive history. For those who can afford it, the Temerario is a dream come true. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle, a statement of success. It's a statement of success, a symbol of automotive excellence. Owning a Temerario is a testament to one's achievements and taste. Lamborghini expects to start deliveries in late 2025. Each car will be hand-delivered to ensure the highest level of service. Get your orders in quick, though. With such limited production, these cars are sure to sell out fast. This limited production supercar is sure to be in high demand. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive excellence. The 2025 Lamborghini Temerario is more than just a car, it's a statement of intent. It shows that Lamborghini is ready for the future. They're not afraid to embrace new technology. The Temerario is a hybrid that doesn't compromise on performance. It's faster, more powerful, and more technologically advanced than its predecessor. This is a car that will go down in history. It's a game changer that sets a new benchmark for supercars. The Temerario is a testament to Lamborghini's unwavering pursuit of automotive perfection. The Raging Bull has evolved, and it's more formidable than ever before. The future is electric, and Lamborghini is leading the charge.